Okay, yesterday we did notes on root form. Do y'all remember that from yesterday? Root form. So if you know the two roots, you can write an equation. So if I give you a graph, you can see the roots on there and then write the root form for me, okay? So first of all, what is the root form? Y equals what? What letter goes first here? Okay, A, parentheses, and what goes inside the parentheses here? X minus R, and another X minus another R. Those are your two roots, right? And yesterday we learned you either have two roots or you might have one double root, right? Okay, everyone looking up here? With headphones in our ears, looking at phones, everyone look over here, please. First thing we need to figure out, what is A? Okay, now A stands for your scale factor. Now how can I figure out A from this graph? Classic. Start at the vertex, and how do I find the A? What do I do? What? Rise over 1, okay? Make sure it's just however much you rise over 1. So, again, if I put a point at the vertex, and I'm getting to the next point over 1 right here, how much is this rise? Okay, it goes down 2. Down is what kind of numbers? Negative numbers, right? So down 2 is negative 2 over 1. So negative 2 over 1, which is the same thing as, oh, hold on real quick. We know A is rise over 1. What? Which is negative 2 over 1, which is negative 2. Okay? So that's what one thing we need is A. Okay? Now the second thing we need, well, the next two things we need are the roots. Okay? So remember, what's another name for roots? X-intercepts, solutions, zeros. 4 things you got to know. They're all the same thing. Now who can tell me, what is this root right here on the left? What is this root on the left? Well, what's the coordinates of it? 1, 0 is right. Okay, so that's one root. And then we got another root over here. What's that? 3, 0. Very good. 3, 0. Very good, very good. Now, if you have A from the rise over 1, everyone looking up here? Hey, look over here. If you have A and if you have roots, can you put it into this formula? Okay, so let's do that. Y equals, what am I going to put for A? Negative 2. What goes inside the parentheses? Okay, X what? This is a positive one, so we write, because insiders lie, we're putting, yeah, minus 1. So X minus 1. What about the other parentheses? X minus 3, because the root is positive 3, insiders lie, we put negative 3. So this is what I was aiming for. What's the equation from the graph in root form? Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, what? What? Oh, okay. We'll keep looking. I mean, you can always get off the Google Classroom. So, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we did vertex form. Tuesday or Thursday, Friday, we did, or Wednesday, Thursday, whatever. With the second part, we did root form, okay? So you have 2 assignments that I for sure want you to finish today. From Tuesday, it says vertex form. From yesterday, Thursday, there's one that says root form. Those 2 assignments I need done. That's your first priority. So vertex form, root form, 2 assignments. If you finish those, then look right here. I have an extension for you to do that's mixed practice if you finish root form and vertex form. So I am going to pick up your warm-ups, make sure your names are on them. Make sure that you have every day has something on it. Okay, if you're absent, you put absent. Cool. And then I'm going to go down the rows and see what you're working on. We're not going to slack or be on our phones all class period or something weird like that. All right, here we go.